Hey adventurers, welcome back to our channel. Today we're bringing you a budget-friendly guide to one of the most stunning treks in the Indian Himalayas, the Hampta Pass Trek. With a total budget of just 5,000 INR, including tents and camping charges, we'll show you how to make this incredible journey possible. Let's get started. The Hampta Pass Trek is a breathtaking journey through the Kullu Valley to the Lahaul Valley. It's a 5-day trek covering approximately 26 kilometers. Here's a day-by-day itinerary that fits within our budget. Day 1. Manali to Jobra, drive, and trek to Chika. Day 1 begins with a drive from Manali to Jobra, which takes about 2 hours. From Jobra, we start our trek to Chika, a relatively easy 2 to 3 hour hike through scenic forests and meadows. We'll camp overnight at Chika. Budget breakdown. Shared taxi from Manali to Jobra, 400 INR per person. Food and snacks, 200 INR. Camping charges at Chika, 200 INR. Total for day 1, 800 INR. Day 2, Chika to Balu Ghera. Day 2 is a trek from Chika to Balu Ghera, which takes around 4 to 5 hours. The trail is a bit steeper but offers stunning views of the valley. Tonight we camp under the stars at Balu Ghera. Budget breakdown, food and snacks, 200 INR. Camping charges at Balu Ghera, 200 INR. Total for day 2, 400 INR. Day 3, Balu Ghera to Hampta Pass and trek to Shea Goru. Day 3 is the most challenging part of the trek. We ascend to the Hampta Pass at an elevation of 14,000 feet and then descend to Shea Goru. This part of the trek takes about 8 to 9 hours. It's tough, but the views are absolutely worth it. Now let's talk about the budget breakdown for today. For food and snacks, you'll need around 200 INR. The camping charges at Shea Goru are also 200 INR, so the total for day 3 comes to 400 INR. Day 4, Shea Goru to Chatru and drive to Manali. On day 4, we trek from Shea Goru to Chatru, which takes about 4 to 5 hours. From Chatru, we take a shared taxi back to Manali. Congratulations, you've completed the trek. Budget breakdown. Shared taxi from Chatru to Manali, 600 INR per person. Food and snacks, 200 INR. Total for day 4, 800 INR. Day 5. Rest day in Manali. Relax, explore the local cafes, or simply take in the beautiful surroundings. Budget breakdown. Accommodation in a budget guest house, 500 INR. Meals, 300 INR. Total for day 5, 800 INR. Overall budget breakdown. Now let's sum up the total expenses for this trek. Total expenses, day 1, 800 INR. Day 2, 400 INR. Day 3, 400 INR. Day 4, 800 INR. Day 5, 800 INR. Grand total, 3,200 INR. And there you have it. A 5-day Hampta Pass trek within a budget of just 3,200 INR. This leaves you with 1,800 INR to cover any miscellaneous expenses, extra food, or a celebratory meal in Manali. I hope this guide helps you plan your adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more budget travel tips. See you on the next adventure.